In nature, only the strong survive. Which of these warriors will illustrate this principle today? Whoever wins this one will have their name engraved in the pantheon of world warriors. We're in for an incredible fight.
Well now, let's see if we can't do something about my boredom. Ugh, boring. This fight better be worth my while.
Who is it that has summoned me?
Hey, bring it already.
I shall consume. Fight! There is so.
Get out of my face!